What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I just wanted to show you something and explain why it's so hard to find the right person on YouTube to fix your credit. So the biggest issue is when, I don't want to say y'all, but when most people see all these people posting stuff, with the Lamborghinis and the nice houses and a bunch of money, this is what people are falling for, because they feel like, well, if this person has all this money, if this person has these nice cars, then I want to go with them. The other thing is they have a lot of subscribers on YouTube. So I'm going to bring up the lady that I brought up in my video. This is just to prove a point. She has 33.2 thousand subscribers. So that sounds like a good channel. I don't know how well y'all can see that. 33.2 thousand. But look at the comments. The comments, she has one comment on all her videos, and it's literally her commenting. So again, that one, she has 30 something thousand subscribers. Okay. This one here, this is the other guy that I talk about, that's scamming people. He has less than 1,000 subscribers. Let's click.
Show you guys some more awesome results.
Let's find, hold on one second.
Really funny. I've yet to find anyone in the YouTube space that is actually doing what I'm doing.
No comments.
In terms of credit repair. I really have, and I'm looking.
These people don't have any comments because they delete the comments. Because when people comment negative stuff, they don't want other people to see it, because it messes up the scam that they're running. And the scam that they're running is taking all your money and doing absolutely nothing. So I just had a guy sign up this morning, and I hope he comments on the video. He may not, but he actually was scammed by Ash Kristen. And then just a few minutes ago, I got an email from somebody that was scammed by Pinnacle Credit. And so when the guy tells you that people are paying him $10,000 and $20,000, I think he's telling the truth. As crazy as that sounds, because this guy here showed me the receipt where he wired $10,000 to him 8 months ago, and absolutely nothing has been done to his credit. But the thing is, he talks a good game. He knows everything. He created ACAT, something nobody has. It's all talk to make you think he's smart and to make you think he knows what he's doing. Now, the Ash Kristen lady, she's good. She knows her stuff when it comes to factual disputing, but she's just like Mike from the credit game. She doesn't practice what she preaches. It's so much easier just to take somebody's money and scam them and do absolutely nothing, because if you pay her and she actually does work, she's not making as much money, because it costs money for software, costs money for paper, costs money for ink, costs money for stamps, takes time to do the letters. You got to go to the post office. They don't want to do all that stuff. So why not just charge you a bunch of money, take your money and block you and be done with you? So, and if y'all are tired of these videos I'm making about these people, just let me know. But I'm just tired of seeing these people take money from people. It boils my blood to know that people will scam people just to make a bunch of money. Money's not that important. Yes, you have to have money to buy things that you need. You have to have money to survive and pay your bills. But do you really need money bad enough to scam somebody and just take their hard-earned money? I mean, could you imagine paying somebody $10,000 and them doing absolutely nothing to your credit? I don't care if you're rich or not. $10,000 is a lot of money. I mean, it's a lot of money. So it's hard to figure out who to go with, because again, you saw the Kristen lady has over 30,000 subscribers, but she never has any comments, because as soon as somebody comments something negative and says something about how she scammed them and took their money, she deletes it. Same thing with Pinnacle Credit Repair. They're nothing but clowns. And I hate to call them names, but y'all gotta stop falling for it. And these are just a few people. There are tons and tons of these people on YouTube. There are. And then they talk about all these results they're getting, but why aren't they showing them? I mean, they may show something once a week at the most of the time once a month, if that. If they're getting such good results, why are they not posting them? I mean, seriously, why are they not posting them? Because I'll be the first to tell you, it's not fun making all those videos. Even the little bitty short clips that just show the results, it's very, very time consuming uploading that stuff to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. It takes a lot of time and it's not fun, but I know it's what you all want to see. This is what a potential client wants to see. They want to see results. This is what my clients want to see. They want to see results. So just be careful when you hire somebody. I'm not making this video to try to convince you to hire me. That's a decision only you can make. I always tell people you need to do what's right for you and your family. Don't do what's right for me or any other company, because even though we're all doing the same thing, the steps that we take to get this stuff done are totally different. I promise you they're not doing all the extra stuff that I'm doing. And again, if they were, they would have a lot more results to show. So if y'all have any questions about this video, leave them in the comments, or you can send me a text message or an email. I will leave that information in the description of the video, along with a link to my website, my new Instagram page, my new Facebook business page, and where you can get all 3 FICO scores for $1. Hope y'all have a great Sunday.